Hey there, little adventurers! Welcome to Kids Science Corner. Today we're going on an incredible adventure to explore the coolest machine ever. Do you know what machine is that? Well, it is the human body. Shocked? But that is true. A human body is a very complex and coolest machine ever, having numerous amazing parts. Let's dive in and explore some of the important components of a human body. We are humans, and we're all living beings that need food, water, and breathable air to survive and grow. Our bodies are made up of many different parts, and each one has a special job. Let's explore some of the most important parts. Can you see it? Yes, these are our eyes, and these help us see the world around us. We can see colors, shapes, and even our friends' smiling faces. Here are the ears. Our ears help us hear all sorts of sounds. We can hear our friends laughing, birds chirping, and even music. Our nose helps us smell yummy food and fresh air. We can even smell our favorite toys. Our mouth and tongue work together as a team. They help us eat, drink, and even talk. We can say hello to our friends and family. Our hands and arms help us hold things, hug our friends, and even create art. These are our strong legs and feet that take us on adventures. Our legs and feet help us walk, run, and even dance. We can move our bodies in so many fun ways. Wow, that's just a few of the amazing things our bodies can do. Let's give our incredible bodies a cheer. Remember, young scientists, there's so much more to learn about your amazing body. So always stay curious and keep exploring and discovering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun on Kids Science Corner. Thanks for watching. See you next time.